Welcome dear children, this is your social class. In the previous class, we have learnt about what is diversity, lifestyle of diversity, social diversity and religious diversity. Now we are going to learn about linguistic diversity and cultural diversity. What is linguistic? Scientific study of language, analysis of language form, language meaning and language in context. How many languages do you know? We know one or two languages. Which are the languages we speak in India? Many languages. India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. How many major languages are there in India? 122. There are major India language families are Indo-Aryan, Dravidians, Austroasiatic, Sino-Tibetan, but Tamil is the oldest Dravidian language. Do you know to read Hindi? Some of them know to read Hindi and some of them don't know to read Hindi, isn't it? But all of them know to read their own mother language. Historically, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the British, the Danish and the French came to India for trade and their occupation. The British ruled over the entire country for over 300 years before independence in 1947. During that time, the English language gained prominence in India. In due course, English has emerged as an important language and a medium of instruction in schools and colleges. It is widely used in official communication and daily life. Top 5 languages spoken in India. Language Hindi percentage 41.03%. Bengali 8.10%. Telugu 7.19%. Marathi 6.99%. Tamil 5.91%. Now we are going to see about cultural diversity. Have you ever traveled to other states? Now I am going to say something about our neighboring states Kerala. Which is their language? Malayalam. Malayalam is a Kerala language. Which is a famous festival in Kerala? Onam. You all know their language, their food and their culture. The term culture refers to customs and practice of people, their language, their dress code, social habits, music, art and architecture and religion. The culture of a group of people is reflected in their social behavior and interactions. architecture. Now let's see India's famous art and architecture. Most of important places are Pragadiswara Temple, Taj Mahal, Konark Sun Temple and the Tilwara Jain Temple. Art and architecture are an integral part of every community. It develops as a part of culture and tradition of a community. Each of the 29 states and 7 union territories of India has rich tradition and unique ways of artistic expression. How many states are there? 29 states. How many territories are there? 7 territories. We are going to learn about popular dances of India. We all are interested in music and dance, isn't it? Gives us pleasure and takes away our worries. We the Tamilians are famous for our classical dance, Bharatanatyam. In ancient times, dance was considered as a way to celebrate worship and also as a gesture of thanksgiving and joy. Dances of India reflect its cultural richness. Music and dance go hand in hand. There are several styles of music practiced in India. The Hindustanic music, Carnatic music, classical Tamil music, folk music, Lavani, Ghazal are some of them. There are songs from various languages composed by blending these different forms of music. Folk dances of India. Tamil Nadu, Karagattam, Oyilattam, Kummi, Terukuthu, Bommalattam, Puliyattam, Kolattam, Tappatam. Kerala, Thoyyam, Mohiniyattam. Punjab, Bhangra. Jammu and Kashmir, Dumkhal. Gujarat, Garba, Dandiya. Rajasthan, Kalpelia, Goomer. Uttar Pradesh, Rasalila, Thank you, dear children. Stay home, stay safe.